Welcome to today's stock market news update. Let's dive into the latest economic news from around the world, starting with developments on oil production. The group known as OPEC Plus decided to increase oil output by 137,000 barrels per day starting in November, according to a CNBC article. This follows a similar small rise in October as concerns grow about too much oil on the market. The group, which includes the Organization of the Petroleum Exporting Countries, Russia, and some other producers, has raised its targets by more than 2.7 million barrels per day this year, which is about 2.5% of global demand. This change comes after years of cuts, with the goal of taking back market share from competitors like United States shale producers. Such shifts in oil supply can influence energy prices and affect stock markets tied to the sector. Shifting to a Truth Social post from President Donald Trump about big home builders in the United States. He noted that these builders, who he sees as key to the country's success, now have access to financing and should start constructing homes. They hold a record 2 million empty lots, and he called on Fannie Mae and Freddie Mac to push them to build more, with the goal of bringing back the American dream of home ownership. This push for more building might impact housing stocks and the broader economy. Moving on to technology, Jeff Bezos shared his views on artificial intelligence at Tech Week in Turin, Italy, as reported in a CNBC article. He described the current AI boom as a type of industrial bubble where stock prices do not always match a company's real value. People are very excited about AI, leading to funding for both strong and weak ideas, and it can be tough for investors to tell them apart. Still, Bezos stressed that AI is genuine and will transform every industry. He added that these kinds of bubbles can even turn out positive because, once things calm down, the winning innovations bring huge benefits to society. This perspective on AI could shape how investors think about tech stocks in the coming months. Now let's look at international stock movements. A Reuters article highlighted that Japanese stocks jumped more than 4% to a new record high on Monday, while the yen weakened. This came after Sanai Takaichi, known for her views on fiscal and monetary policy, won the leadership of the ruling party, setting her up to become Japan's first female prime minister. Changes in leadership like this can create ripples in currency values and stock performance, potentially affecting global markets. Finally, in commodities news, gold prices climbed above $3,900 an ounce for the first time during early Asian trading on Monday, per a Reuters article. This rise drew from safe haven, buying linked to a United States government shutdown, along with hopes for further interest rate cuts from the Federal Reserve. Gold often reacts to such events, and this could signal broader uncertainty that influences investor behavior across assets. That's all for today's video. Stay tuned for more updates and don't forget to subscribe.